Hi y'all, it's your favorite girl, plus your favorite host, Willow, and this is Behold Teen Talk Media. Today at our Excited All Stars, we are interviewing beautiful Emily. Emily is from First United Methodist Church in Dallas, Texas. So, thank you for being here, Emily.
Of course.
What is your favorite part of your visit to Excited?
My favorite part, this is such a hard question, but it has been building the relationships with the students here and coming back each day. Our first day here, making friends, but then walking in the doors and having the students be so excited to see us, but then us excited to see them, because after we leave here, all we do is go home and talk about y'all. So that has been my favorite part, is building the relationships.
Of course. What advice would you give your teens?
I would tell teenage Emily that God has so many great plans for you. Whatever stress you're going through, whatever trial, that it is for a purpose, and to get excited about what God has for me in the future, and to not worry about the little things.
Of course, all that. I will do it. Thanks for watching Behold Teen Talk Media. Like I said, it's your Willow, your favorite host, and we'll see you next week. Bye.